The power of command is just everything on a Windows computer, and if you don't know these commands, oh my god, you're missing out on a lot. So guys, just check the commands I'm telling you today and you will be able to not just keep your computer optimized, but also help to manage the system. So number 1, Windows automatically marks your drive for a diagnostic check disk scan when symptoms indicate that a local drive has bad sectors, lost clusters, or other logical or physical errors. If you suspect your hard drive is failing, you can manually initiate a scan. And for this, on Windows, type CMD, right-click on that and then choose Run as Administrator. Now in your command prompt, type checkdisk/C, which will immediately scan the C drive without a need to restart the computer. Now if you add parameters like /F/R/X or /B, such as in checkdisk, like this, checkdisk will also fix errors, recover data, dismount the drive, or clear the list of bad sectors respectively. These actions require a reboot as they can only run with Windows powered down. Number 2, System File Checker. System File Checker is an automatic scan and repair tool that focuses on Windows system files. Run the command prompt with administrator privileges and enter the command sfc/scan now. If SFC finds any corrupt or missing files, it will automatically replace them using cached copies kept for Windows by this purpose alone. Next is Task Kill. Sometimes you'll get lucky and Windows will tell you that a program isn't responding and give you some options to close the program or end now. Or maybe even to wait for the program to respond. Other times, all you get is a not responding message in the program's title bar and a full screen grayout. And worst of all, some programs that freeze or lock up do so in a way that even your operating system can't detect and inform you. So time to kill the task. Open command prompt, type this command. Here the file name could be whatever file name the program you want to choose. The /T option makes sure that any child processes are closed as well, and /F option forcefully terminates the process. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.